Hello. Now we are going to learn how to edit the WordPress website. To edit WordPress website, I'm just going to browse through this website using the administrative account which we have created in a previous video. Just go through this localhost 8081. Now to log in into administrative account, we have to go through this WP login. Okay, just hit that one. Now I'm just going to uh, use the username which I have created in a previous video for my WordPress website. Just make use of that one. Then click on the login button. Okay, now the dashboard is over here. So now currently the website is having this kind of theme that is by default installed by WordPress. So I'm just going to show you how to switch with the themes. Just go through this appearance in the left side navigation, click on themes. Okay, if you want to change the theme, then go through the theme, otherwise go through the editor if you want to make changes into that particular theme. Okay, so here we have by default installed, previously installed. We have to just click on activate over here and the website is ready to use. This theme is ready to use. If you want and customized website as per your requirement, then just go through that add things, add more things, and search the things which you require. Okay, so currently here we have installed, by default installed this 2024, 2023. Okay, so and that this 2022. Okay, so if we require this one, just click on install. It is downloaded from internet from the WordPress repository and it is going to be installed on our local host. So we have to wait till it installs. Okay, now it is installed. If you want to create any portfolio related, if you want to create any education related website or any kind of e-commerce, just search that theme in a in this box. Okay, now it is showing us some portfolio related websites. Sorry, we have to go through this add theme and then search the theme. Okay, so e-commerce. Okay, so here we do have some e-commerce themes. Okay, if I want to create a portfolio website, then here I do have that themes also. Just click on install. It is going to be installed on your system. Education or any kind which means that check with that business title, and you can just search in a browser, browse in search box and then browse through the themes which are available in add themes. Okay, you also have a scope to download it from the different template providers and install it through this zip file. Okay, so we do have option of this upload theme. Just choose that particular file and click on install now. So that is okay. Now we are going to make use of the theme which currently installed. Okay, so installed and we have activated that one. Okay, so I'm just going to refresh this one. So here we have this new site. Okay, so now I'm just going to customize this one. Okay, just click on customize. According to the theme, they are providing customization option. In if we are going to activate again 2024, he is going to give us a editor option over there. So here is the editor from WordPress to edit a website theme. Okay, so I'm just going to change the name over here from new site to my site. Okay, so just for example, I'm showing. Then if you have a logo of your site, then select a logo. If you want to add some menus, add that menus from this one, just add item, and he is going to show us over there. These are the secondary menu, main menu locations where we have to place that one. Okay, home, about, blog, and contact. Okay, so if I want to add something over here, just new menu. I'm clicking on the add button. Okay, so the that new menu is also over there. Okay, the new menu is over here. Okay, link is over here. But currently, we are going to check whether it is going to be shown or not on the website. It is not going to be shown. Why? Because we have to publish it. So click on publish. We can also change this text as per our requirement. Okay, I'm just going to my. Okay, so here we are in a menu right now. If you want to make an use of the background image, okay, these all the settings are related with that particular theme. If I'm going to change the theme, all the things are going to be changed. Okay, I'm just going to show that one again. I'm just going to change the theme again. I'm activating this one. Okay, now check that all the uh, things which are over here, patterns and other things, are just gone from this appearance. Why? Because these all are related to this theme, and now which is related with this theme, we do have these two options only, that is the editor over here. So I'm just going to click editor. Now check. Okay, this is for 2024. This is the scenario for the current or latest downloaded WordPress. Okay, so this is what we have now. I am just going to refresh this page again to check. Yes, now this is what we have. This is the new template which we have applied. Okay, the new menu, sample page. Okay, so we have created the menu over there, so it is going to be taken by that one only. Okay, to create your website with blocks, the new menu is added over. We can just remove that one from the menu options. Okay, so uh, yes. Okay, so looking for template parts, find them in a patterns. Okay, so in last what we have did, it is going to be shown over here. Okay, if okay, check that it is very much easy now. In last example of themes, we have to select that pen button, pencil button, and then the that theme is going to be edit. Right now the theme is not editing while I'm clicking this button. Okay, so if I want to remove something, I'm just going to remove this one. Okay, if I want to make it bold, just use this one. I'm not going to use any tag, HTML tag over here. Without HTML tag, I'm just going to use it because in background it is going to be edited in background. Okay, in a HTML code, it is going to be changed over there, and we are going to access that one. Okay, so here we can also make it as a bold. Just select the text. Here is that editor. Okay, if I want to add some blocks over there, just click over here, toggle block inserter. Okay, whichever I want to use. Okay, I'm just going to add a table. So just adding a table. Okay, over here there is a table. Okay, so how much column we require, how much row we require, just we have to make that one. Okay, for example, I'm just going to add over here surname, a serial number, and name of. Okay, now just click on save button. Okay, this is the page already published, so he is going to ask us to save only, not to publish. Okay, so just I'm refreshing this page. Okay, the table is added, this word is deleted, then it is in a italic form and it is in a bold one. Okay, now how to add a new page. Okay, so this is how we are going to customize our website or theme. Okay, it is totally dependent on which theme you are going to install and which theme you are going to use. Okay, so it is related with that one, or the editors and other things are related with that one. Okay, so here we do have a draft new page. I'm just going to add a new page. The page title, I'm just going to provide a gallery page title over here and create a draft. Okay, so this is the page. Sorry, this is the page we have created right now. This is the draft one. Okay, so here they are asking us to add some files. So previously I have downloaded some images. Okay, for example, you can take the free stock images from websites, different websites, but make use of the free images for demo versions. Otherwise, you can just make use of the paid one also. That is not an issue. Okay, so all the images are already stored in that media, and I'm just going to save this one. Just save. The site is updated. I'm just going to check that whether where it is added. Okay, so menu, we have to add menu. Okay, so to add a menu, just go to the dashboard, pages. Okay, so here we have this draft one preview. Okay, this is the preview of this page. Now here we have an option to publish. If you want to add something, just go through this one. I'm just going to elect again gallery. Then again just going to make use of the. Okay, so we have already uploaded images. Create a new gallery and insert a gallery. Okay, so all the images now on a page, and now click on the publish. So here we have a view option to preview how it is going to be appeared on desktop, how it is shown on the tablet and mobile. So here we have overlook of this website. If you want to change, you can change. Now I'm going to hit a publish button. Okay, now view page. Okay, so gallery menu is added over here and the gallery. Okay, so here we have page the images which I have downloaded in free of cost. So here how we are going to add a dynamic page, how we are going to edit a page, all these things are covered over here. Okay, in next video we are just going to learn about how to add a plugin and how to make use of that plugin. Okay, thank you very much.